right now.
Good Monday morning, I'm Philip Mena.
And I'm Corey Coffin. The death toll in the country reaches a grim milestone as state and federal officials clash over testing. It's Monday. Here's what you need to know. It has been 3 months since the U.S. first reported their first confirmed case of coronavirus. And now more than 755,000 people are infected with the virus. Over 40,000 Americans have died from COVID-19.
At the epicenter in the Empire State, Governor Andrew Cuomo is launching aggressive testing for antibodies this week. Cuomo says New York has passed the high point of infection, recording its lowest daily death toll in 2 weeks. And here's a bright spot in the outbreak, a patient getting a standing ovation as he leaves North Shore University Hospital on Long Island. The 46-year-old was their 1,000th discharged coronavirus patient. You can see their doctors and nurses cheering him on.
And New York's finest are showing solidarity for those who have lost their lives to coronavirus by wearing black bands across their shields. So far, 28 uniformed and civilian members of the NYPD have died from COVID-19. Starting today, Walmart employees will be required to wear masks. The company says it's evolving policy amid new CDC guidelines. Workers can either bring their own in or they will be provided with one after they undergo temperature screenings inside.
Police in New York busted up a massive party in Brooklyn. Up to 60 people packed a barber shop for what was reportedly a music video shoot. 2 people were arrested and the rest of the crowd was given summonses for violating social distancing guidelines. Broadway star Nick Cordero had his leg amputated after suffering complications from coronavirus. The Tony-nominated actor has been in the ICU for 18 days. His wife, Amanda Klutz, started a musical tribute after she played the Elvis song, Got a Lot of Living to Do, and it seemed to lower his blood pressure.
Former First Lady Michelle Obama is doing her part to help parents at home. Starting today at noon Eastern, she'll be reading classic children's books on a live stream called Mondays with Michelle. And Mila Kunis and Ashton Kutcher are raising a glass for a good cause. The couple has launched Quarantine Wine. They say 100% of the profits will go toward coronavirus relief charities.
At the nation's epicenter of the pandemic, new hope that the worst is over. The latest data from New York shows the number of new cases is coming down, but other major cities are seeing a surge. Our Kathy Park has more. Kathy, good morning.
Good morning from New York, where the governor delivered days of encouraging news. Meanwhile, the caseload is still troubling in hotspots like Massachusetts, Los Angeles County, and the largest Native American reservation in the country.
New York on the mend after weeks of beating back a disease both deadly and devastating.
The recent news is good. We are on the other side of the plateau and the numbers are coming down.
Hospitalizations are down again, but the governor warning the fight isn't over. The daily death toll still above 500. The state will issue 3,000 antibody tests that may tell us who is immune to the coronavirus.
This will be the first true snapshot of what we're really dealing with.
Neighboring New Jersey has a second largest caseload in the U.S. On Saturday, the death toll there passed the 4,000 mark, more than the last 3 flu seasons combined. And another troubling sign that infections aren't slowing in Massachusetts, the 3rd highest ranking state with confirmed cases. Obituaries in the Boston Globe stretched 16 pages. Saturday marked a grim milestone in Los Angeles County. 81 lives lost, a one-day record. In one of the ICUs, sick patients keep coming.
We've been dealing with just a continuous wave of people this week, so it's been kind of crazy. I don't think it's been letting down at all.
The virus is also exposing vulnerabilities within the Navajo Nation. The largest Native American reservation in the country has more than 1,000 positive cases. In pre-pandemic days, they faced challenges accessing health care and running water. Now the crisis is threatening their culture, deeply rooted in their elders.
Our elders, who are our first language speakers, they carry a lot of the knowledge and the ceremonies that we, the young people, are still learning. Our cultures are in jeopardy right now if we lose our elders.
Back in New York, the mayor announcing that more help is coming to hotspots in the city. 1,400 healthcare volunteers will be reinforcing staff at hospitals and nursing homes where the need is greatest.